Welcome to the Interior Design Department at the Canadian University, Dubai. Our graduation project this year looks at the socio-cultural, ethical, sustainable, and human-centric design within UAE. We have Rahaf today here. Hi, Rahaf.
Hi, Professor.
Can you give us a bit more information about your project and what inspired you with it?
I did a graduation project about a hub community development innovation for youth. The whole community was looking into gain information and give them a whole space for the people who lose their jobs, especially with now time, and especially with what happened and affect us from COVID-19. So the whole project was giving them a pressure and make them rise up with their ideas, dream, and achieve their dreams, and make them feel they are powerful in terms of the society and they can change the future of UAE to make it more innovation sustainable in a way.
Why Rise Up? Because the name of your project is Rise Up.
Yes.
Why?
Rise Up the project is because to give them the powerful and make them feel they are in a space that take them in a higher space and to achieve their own dreams and their work. That's why I named it Rise Up, to give them all the powerful they want.
Yeah. So it was about empowering young population, right?
Yes.
There was that demographic of the younger population. And I remember your design manifesto. Can you talk about your design manifesto? Because
Yes.
it was very personal.
My design manifesto, I tried to give them some general quotes that motivate them especially. That's why the design manifesto also represents the interior of the spaces with their achievements of the goals to give them all the happiness they want. That's what I played with it, the color, the material, and the functional of the spaces. And it was like graphically made to make their mind work with the space.
Oh, that's great. So how about the functionality of the space? Because you had like a working community in there.
I did give them all the spaces they want, especially with this time, what they really want. So I did provide workspaces, workshop, exhibition, and lecture hall. All the spaces were meant to give them the meaning behind the spaces. For example, the workshop where they can work and connect to each other. I did add a dynamic, movable seatings and a unique design aspect on the space to make it more futuristic, because it was important to make them feel very powerful, because I want them to work hard but at the same time to have fun.
Beautiful. So why did you choose interior design?
I did choose interior design as major because I like help people and I like to change their idea and state of the space. Also, I want to add my new thought design on the spaces, how to build a very sustainable, futuristic innovation project that UAE especially looking forward. And also it's because for me, interior design is not only about designing or visual eye, it's about also making the space have experience with it and meaning to the people who use it.
Yeah, you talk about experience. So I remember like your innovation, the innovative aspect that you did. Can you tell us a bit about that?
Yeah, I did want them to build their mind with building their enjoyable spaces. It had my thought to make the space enjoyable, at the same time benefit and powerful. So we did add some interesting parts and interesting areas. One of them, it was the dynamic seating, the movable one, so they can sit and make them feel like they are flying with their dreams as they are flying with the work.
It's fantastic, Rahaf. I hope you fly with your dreams.
Yes,
I wish you all the best for your future. Thank you so much for being with us today. Thank you everyone for being with us today. And I hope to see you again with more stories of graduation projects. Thank you.